Japa is the bhakti yoga practice of chanting the Hare Krishna maha-mantra softly to oneself in meditation. To aid in the meditation and to help keep count, a string of beads or mala is recommended. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to use beads for chanting. To begin, you'll need beads and a bead bag with counting beads attached. You can use beads without a bead bag, but the bag really helps to keep your beads clean and respected. We'll demonstrate without the bag first and then show you how they go together. There are 108 beads and one larger bead, known as the head bead or Krishna bead. Generally, the beads are graduated in size from smaller to larger. Begin with the small bead next to the Krishna bead. Use your thumb and middle finger of your right hand to hold the beads. This forms a mudra or yogic gesture, helpful for meditation. You can gently roll the bead or just hold it while chanting one full mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Then move forward to the next bead, pulling the bead towards you into your hand and repeat the mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. In this way, continue chanting on each of the 108 beads in the strand until you again reach the Krishna bead. This is one round of japa and usually takes from 6 to 10 minutes. When chanting more than one round of japa without chanting on the Krishna bead, turn the strand around and begin the next round. Continue pulling beads towards you as before. Chant clearly and try to hear the mantra with attention. Some chanters find that looking at the mantra or sacred art helps them concentrate. If that works for you, that's fine, but remember that your goal is to just listen and meditate on the sound of the mantra. Now for the bead bag. Your beads are sacred and should be kept in a bead bag to keep them respected and clean. It also makes it easy to carry your beads wherever you go and chant as you walk or sit or wait somewhere. One side of the bag is large enough to insert your hand. Your index finger comes out of the smaller hole on the other side. It is helpful to have a string of 16 counter beads tied on. Place your beads in the bag and you're ready to go. Bhakti yoga practitioners decide on a minimum number of rounds of japa they want to chant each day. The string of counter beads tied to your bead bag helps you keep track of the number of rounds you have chanted by moving one counter bead for each round. I hope you have found this video easy to follow and are all set to go with your chanting meditation. For online courses, resources, and to participate in our chanting community, please join us at chantnow.com.